is up, you guys? It is Caitlin, and this week I am doing a Christmassy video again. I am going to be making Christmas cookies with my grandmother, so I thought I would film it a little bit and show you guys like the final product and everything. I do want to clear something up because the other day, I forget what day it was, Monday, I went to the cardiologist and I got a heart monitor put on, and if you follow me on Instagram or Snapchat, I posted about it. So I'm just going to explain it on here. I'm pretty sure I explained it to pretty much everyone that would like want to know, but I'll put it out here anyway. Sorry about the lighting. I don't have my filming light today, so it's kind of not very good, but anyway. So ever since I was little, I've had a bunch of heart problems. Like when I was really young, I had 2 holes in my heart, but they filled up. They filled in on their own, so I didn't have to get surgery for that. Luckily, open heart surgery, and that would have been really scary. Yeah, so I've had all these problems. I'm not going to explain it because it's really confusing and it's just not needed. In October, when I did the story time for you guys and I told you that I passed out while sitting, he thought that was really, really weird, and for me, it's a little scary, so with my heart conditions and whatever. So he just wanted to put the heart monitor on to double check everything. I'm sure everything was fine. Yeah, because I got like an echocardiogram, I think that's how you say it, and an EKG done, and those came out perfectly fine. I really think it's fine. He just wanted to double check, so I just wanted to clear that up. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. I have a feeling it's going to be kind of a short video, but I wanted to do something kind of Christmassy, get in the Christmas spirit again. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to my channel. That'll be at the end of the video or down below, and put on the post notification bell so you're notified when I upload. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye! Actually, I probably won't see you guys before Christmas. Please have an amazing Christmas. Enjoy time with family. I hope you guys get great gifts, and yeah, just enjoy Christmas, because I know I will be enjoying Christmas. I am so excited. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!